Hello everyone and welcome to another Elliott Wave analysis. So today I want to update on both the S&P 500 and also the Nasdaq. Right. So let's just do this last wave here. Right. So I've been trying to call the top for a number of times now. Right. The last time I believe I called the top when I thought that this was the final wave 5. Right. So what happens is that yeah, there is this extension over here. So if you look at this, you see a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which in itself will be an kind of like an overlapping ending diagonal, right? So then over here, this wave count itself, right, is then becomes this is probably the end here, right? I did not update over here, but over here this is a truncated fifth, right? That is more obvious on the Russell 2000, right? Because the Russell 2000 is a low here, right? So just follow me verbally over here. So this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, and then a final 5 here. Now, um, I believe S&P I did more over here, right? So S&P for this, just follow me as I do this, right? So this will be a 1, 2, and then we have this 3, 4, and then the final 5 will be here, right? So the projected peak, right, for S&P 500, right? So if you look at this as a three wave, three wave, and then and final three wave, right? You notice that wave three is actually currently the against wave one. Wave one is actually longer than wave three, right? So that means that wave five cannot be longer than wave three. And using this rule itself, this law, right, we do a Fibonacci projection, right, using wave 3 itself against the bottom of wave 4, and then we see where is the maximum that it can go, right? And over here it tells us that the maximum is around 6149.7. Okay, then this wave C itself unfolds in 5 waves, so it's at 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now wave 3 is obviously extended, so we use a wave 1 against the entire wave, right? And we see no clear sign of anywhere where it will be stopped before here, right? So we have to push this up to where I think the wave 4 end is, right? And then from here, you can see that at 0.618 of wave 1, we actually hit the same target, right? Which is a 6149, right? So based on this, I believe that the peak for S&P 500 will be 6149 to 6150, right? And the same thing happens for for Nasdaq, right? Wave 3 in terms of the price is shorter than wave 1. So wave 5 cannot be longer than wave 3. So using the same kind of projection, right? The maximum for Nasdaq will be 2249.7, right? So if you see over here that I have this channel, right? And currently it has already breached the channel, right? So ideally what happens is that we want it to come back down to this channel, right? Probably hit near to 22497 and come back down in. Then this will become a throwover or a false breakout, right? To confirm that we are right. And that's where we can double down on our size, right? Depending on your risk management, right? So what I really want to say is now we are quite close to the ideal shorting point, right? So over here, let me just put in this, right? So what you do is that because of the rule that wave 3 cannot be the shortest wave, right? You can actually put a very tight stop loss, right? I will still say give it some leeway, right? even though by the law of Elliott Wave we don't need to, right? But still gives a bit, right? And we are looking at a down for a wave for at least here, okay, for Nasdaq. Okay, let me put in this. And also similarly for S&P 500. So I'll just place it near here, right? And put a very tight stop loss, right? And similarly, we go for the wave 4 target. Not sure why my PC suddenly lags there, right? So just do this. Okay. Yep. So this is the update for S&P 500 and Nasdaq. And good luck in your trading. Thank you.